Hey everyone, welcome back to Get Fit with R. Today, we're diving into the 3 healthiest breakfasts that are perfect for weight loss, packed with nutrients, and easy to prepare. First up is avocado toast with eggs. This breakfast combines a slice of fiber-rich whole grain bread with mashed avocado, topped with a poached or scrambled egg. The healthy fats in avocado, combined with protein from the egg, keep you full and satisfied, helping to control your appetite throughout the morning. Avocados are not only delicious but also rich in vitamin Z and C, which promote a glowing complexion and protect against damage from free radicals. A sprinkle of salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes adds flavor and provides a metabolism-boosting kick. Next, we have the Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and probiotics, aiding digestion and boosting your immune system. Layer it with fresh, low-calorie berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, which are high in antioxidants and vitamins A and C. These berries support skin repair, provide a natural anti-aging effect, and enhance overall skin health. Top the parfait with granola or nuts for added fiber and crunch, making it a delicious and energizing breakfast option. Finally, let's talk about the vibrant smoothie bowl. Blend a handful of nutrient-dense spinach, a frozen banana, unsweetened almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder or Greek yogurt. Spinach is packed with vitamins A and C, essential for maintaining healthy skin and keeping it hydrated. Top the smoothie bowl with fruits like kiwi and mango, which are rich in vitamin C and E, further supporting skin health and reducing inflammation. Sprinkle chia seeds on top to add omega-3 fatty acids, which help maintain skin moisture and elasticity. These 3 breakfasts are not only delicious and satisfying, but also provide essential nutrients to kickstart your day and support your weight loss and skin health journey. Unlike high-calorie, sugar-laden breakfast options, these meals are designed to keep you full, energized, and on track with your health goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Get Fit with R for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.